Feel uninvited.
Ouch! Oh, hi.
Right now, the market is growing, and here you can see the price of one Ethereum is about $387. But the best part to see at this time in the cryptocurrency market is this, that the BTC dominance is very low, 60.3%. But the best part for the altcoin holders and also for the Ethereum holders, that at this time the Ethereum dominance is about 12%. So definitely some good altcoins will work and they will give you some good profit. Now in this video I will share a new token which is available on the CoinMarketCap on some good exchanges, and it's the best time to hold this token. It is under $1, and any token which have good growth and multiple utilities, that's best to hold. But if with a token you can buy online and pay with it, make your own online store and make money online, pay anyone in the whole world with that token, so that will be best to buy. Now we will discuss and share about the 100x moonshot token, which is best to hold for some months. Right now the price of the token is under $1, so it's the best time to grab this token. You guess it right, we are going to talk about Intex coin. But before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now, what is Intex coin all about? First of all, I will also share the link of the website so you can easily come over here and easily you can discover some more good features about the Intex coin platform. Now basically the Intex coin, INXT, what is it? Basically, INTX. It is not the INXT, it is INTX. The symbol is INTX. The name is Intex coin. Now basically with the help of this picture you can understand one thing, that the Intex coin is basically the fuel and also you can say the blood of the whole Intex coin platform. You can easily pay anyone with the help of Intex coin. You can use the Intex coin exchange platform, and even you can use the Intex Place, that is basically an online e-commerce platform, and the last is Intex Charity. So basically this token will be used in multiple things. But how you can buy this token, and is it good is it good for you to buy this token right now or not? As per my recommendations, I will recommend you one thing, that right now the price is entirely low, so it is your time to grab this token at very low price. At this time this token is available on the Probit exchange in USDT pair. Secondly, this token is also available on the Whitebit exchange in the BTC pair, so you can easily buy this token directly from these both exchanges. But at this time this token is also available on the Hotbit exchange in BTC and USDT pair, and right now the price is under $1. So if you are going to hold this token right now, definitely you will make some good money, because the team is working on it, and very soon you can see the increase in price up to, as per my own price prediction about this token, because the multiple usage and also the team is working on the number of exchanges, as in only in 2020 they are planning to list the INTX token on about 7 to 8 new and big exchanges. So definitely the price will increase, and as per my own price prediction it will go up to 0.25 in maximum next 2 to 3 months. So it is the best time for you to buy this token. Here you can also see the Hotbit also announced about it. Yesterday it was listed on the Hotbit exchange, and right now they are also planning to list up this token on more exchanges. So it's your time to buy this token directly from the Hotbit exchange. It is entirely very easy. I will tell you a simple thing. First of all, you have to sign up. If you already have an account, simply log into your account, fund your account with somehow BTC or with USDT. As per my recommendations, go with USDT. Simply buy this token directly from here, so you will make some good money if you are going to hold this token for next at least 2 to 3 months, you will definitely make up to 100x very easily. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. I will share all the basic links, especially the main website link, and secondly, I will also share the link of the Hotbit exchange where you can easily buy you can buy this token directly from the exchange. Thanks a lot.